What's going on, YouTube? We're back again. Today we have the 1991 Skybox Series 1. Of course, we're going to be looking for Michael Jordan, as usual. And we'll see what else we can grade. If it's gradable, we'll grade him. Let's just get right into it. We have 36 packs here. I believe you can pull at least 6 Jordans in this box. So we'll see. All right. First pack. Here you go. Physical education. Dennis Rodman. Muggsy Bogues. Dominic Wilkins. And we have Gerald Wilkins. Cool. GQ. Alright, next pack. We have Dominic Wilkins here and Kevin Willis. Rod Strickland. Charles Barkley. I'm gonna have to go through all these Hall of Famers in the end. See if they're good to grade. These cards, they're pretty clean actually, so should have a lot of at least 9s or 10s. Here you go, our first Jordan. Really sharp corners. I don't see any print lines. Cool. Let's leave them up. Kenny Smith, Reggie Miller, sharpshooter right there. One of the greatest shooters of all time, Reggie Miller. Tom Chambers, Kurt Rambis. James Worthy, Hall of Famer. Alec Kessler. Darrell Walker, Stacey King. Nothing there. See Manute Bol. Bol's father. Nothing there. I believe there's a Michael and Magic card in here, so hopefully we can pull that. Here's a Patrick Ewing. Avery Johnson. There you go, another Michael Jordan. I thought this was in the series too, but this is nice. We'll sleeve them up. All right. Larry Bird, Larry Legend. That aside. There you go. This is the card I'm talking about. Looks centered. Maybe not top and bottom, but left to right is pretty good. Corners look sharp. We'll sleeve them up. BJ Armstrong. Charles Jones, Dale Ellis, Kenny Smith, Reggie Miller again. Horace Grant, Mitch Richmond, Kendall Gill, Sam Vincent, I think I'm just gonna open 3 packs at a time, so it'll be faster. Alright. Here you go. Charles Smith. Nothing there. Oh, there's a Jordan card and Jordan in a card. Bloody Divock. And there's a print line going right in the middle. Alvin Robertson, Larry Drew, nothing there. Next 3 packs. There's Dennis Rodman. Oh, there's a ding corner right there. Not good. Magic Johnson. That's nice. Stay in school. Jam. Cool. Larry Bird again. Like I said, I'm gonna have to go through these cards again and see which cards are worthy to be graded. Shh. Don't mind my dog. Carmelone. Alright, I think we're halfway through the box. We already have a few Jordans, so that's good. Byron Scott. Oh, here's another one. Nice. It's Carmelone again. Gary Payton, second year. Oh, Scottie Pippen. I think that was his first card in this box. There you go. John Stockton, Isaiah Thomas. Here's another Jordan. Nice. Oh, this is a nice card. I like cards that have multiple Hall of Famers, especially top 20 players of all time, top 30. Pretty cool card. Here's a Scotty. Looks sharp. Oh no, there's a ding right there in that corner. That's not gradable for sure. Same with this Hakeem. There's a ding right there. Alright, we have probably 10 more packs. I actually got this box for $40 from a bulk deal. So, pretty good. Right now on eBay, they're selling for at least $100, so got a bargain. Eric Coleman. Let's see. Another Magic. Put that aside. Scott Brooks. Charles Barkley. That looks sharp. No print lines. Corners are sharp, no dings. That I might send this in. We'll see. Here's a Magic. These cards look sharp, man. It's a good sign. All right. Randy White, Bob Thornton, David Robinson. Nice. Undermine. That might be a ding right there. There in that corner. D. Brown. Nandi Vlade, Divock card. Mark Jackson. Here you go, another best single game performance. What's this? Yep. I have about 7 more. Let's do 4 at a time. All right, got Charles Barkley here. Oh man, both corners are dinged up. See that? Not good. James Worthy. Might be worthy to grade. Gary Payton. Michael Jordan. Here you go. Man, his cards look sharp. Good sign. Okay, last 3 packs. Let's get one more Jordan. Be good. Be well worth the box and a $20 grading fee. These Jordans go for at least $150 each on the PSA 10, so if I get at least 3 PSA 10s, that's pretty good profit. Sean Kemp. Clyde the Glide. Drexler. Come on, Jordan. And that's it. All right, let's recap how many Jordans we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, 7 Jordans. There you go. I like this card. Like I said, I like it when there's multiple Hall of Famers in the one card. Pretty cool. Well, and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, share, and I'll be opening up more videos. More boxes. Thank you.